gonna turn it on for the first time. We just put the motor in, just button it all down. So now we're gonna give it its first crank. Ready?
Fuel pressure, good. Fuel pressure, good. No leaks.
I'm gonna prime it again.
Yeah, prime it one more time. Now we just turn the key on. Let me see if any fuel's leaking anywhere. Okay, I'm getting fuel pressure. I got no leaks. I got fuel pressure, no leaks. Fuel pressure, no leaks. All right, baby.
All right, guys. I know the camera's blurry. It's too hot out here, so the camera's freaking out. We're gonna give it a shot and turning it on. Ready? It's on. That's right.
Vitals are good?
Yeah, that's good. Alright guys, you want to start the break-in sequence, so I'll catch you guys in the video in a little bit. Doesn't look like there's any smoke like it used to. I'm in the garage and there's no smoke, so that's a good sign.
Look at burning oil, man. Burning oil.
So what do you gotta say, CJ Bill?
It's running!
It's running! Yay!
The only smoke I have right now is because I put a new wrap in the front and a little bit of coolant leaked and stuff, so it's just burning that off and all that grease and all that, but it's running. As I was saying, there goes all our fingerprints burning off the turbo and the downpipe. All the blood I probably got on it from cutting myself. But it's not smoking like how it would. That's just fingerprint smoke. How do you feel, Dad?
Oh my God, finally, man.
Yes. Say it louder.
Oh my God, finally! Only smoke we see is the freaking wrap. And whatever oil is residue oil is there.
And our sweat burning from our skins.
In the pot.
Mom! Oh, what? You think that's not gonna go in the video? Just because you're wearing camo? Oh my God, it has a hood on it. Let's go.
First roll out. Oh my God. Oh Lord. Lordy Lord Lord. Roll out. Something missing. No smoke.
Running good?
Yeah. Alright, what's up guys? Right now I am taking the car on the block. I've already gone around a few times. I didn't film it because I'm just enjoying this. I'm making sure everything's okay because I'm gonna go surprise my girlfriend. She's been putting up with all the crap with this car for so long, so I'm gonna go surprise her. But I'm just making sure everything's okay with the car. And listen to that. Oh, behind me there's no smoke. The only smoke that The only smoke that there is from the turbo with the downpipe that has all the oil and all the grease and stuff, but not out the exhaust like it used to, boys. We are running it good. We're back at the house after going for a little drive. It's trickling a little bit of water in the middle, as you can see there. So we're trying to see if maybe one of the hoses is loose or whatnot, but it's together, it's running, and it's alive. Alright guys, so sadly I wasn't able to go to my girlfriend's house. It was leaking a little bit of water. We weren't able to really find out where it's coming from exactly because the engine bay is just so steamingly hot right now. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put some pressure in the system and watch and see where it leaks. But that's going to be for next video. As you guys saw, it is not smoking nearly as much as it was before. Definitely that broken ring was causing a bunch of issues for us. Yeah, watching the videos back, I did see it. There is a little bit of blue smoke, a little bit of gray smoke. It's running rich, definitely running rich. And the blue smoke, I mean, I put a ton of oil through that exhaust. So one, it could be literally leftover oil or gas or anything left in that exhaust. And two, it could literally be just burning oil still. They're brand new rings. They still haven't been seated yet. The car has about 2 kilometers on it right now. So still, it has some breaking in to do. Gonna still be breaking it in. So I'm happy. Expect a lot of driving videos, a lot of POVs, a lot of driving. I want my girlfriend to take it around for a spin, get that video for you guys. Finally facing the other way. It's not facing out the garage anymore. It's parked all nice. We gotta wash it. We gotta get it all dialed in. We gotta get that water / coolant leak done. And we're good to go. So yeah guys, that's where we're gonna end this video. Thank you guys for all the support. Sorry for such a delay on the content. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next week.